How to process the items in a list of lists. It's also called as a nested list. Suppose I have an empty list over here, ls, and I have another list here, L1, with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. And a list L2 with the numbers 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if I append these lists L1 and L2 within the empty list ls using the append function, what we get is called a nested list or a list of lists. We can access each list by using the for loop. So for I in ls, so we can print each list here. Now we can also go deeper and we could access each element within this list of lists. So I'll go for j in I. Now we can print each element within the list of this. So each number we can print over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can also change the values of this of the list by manually entering the index. So for writing the index of a list, we write the outer index, which is the actual position of the list, and then the next index will be the index of the number of the element within the list, within the nested list. So according to this, 0, 2 will be the index of the number 3 in our nested list. So we are going to change that number and write 0. So we'll print ls after changing. And now you can see the change in the value. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 before, and now it is 1, 2, 0, 4. So this is how you access elements within a list of lists, and this is how you traverse through a list of lists.